when we rewind. It feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's soon, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's soon, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long. Right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's soon, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Show ya. Show me the car when you turning me on. The way you telling me you wanted me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, if she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like gunman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist. Cause I need ya, and it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, no get to your clean and proper. Way I move, ain't no weekend lover. You gon' have me on your mind forever, ever. Thanks, baby, turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show ya. Show me the car when you turning me on. The way you telling me you wanted me down.
Show me how you jigger.
Pick it up, why you tryna find the pieces when you rip it up? Why I like it when you sit it when you take it up? Yeah, you know that I'm bad. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it night. Show ya. Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweeter, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad man, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Golden cuppa, get to you clean and proper. Way I move, I know we can love her. You gon' have me on your mind forever. Ever, thanks baby, turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show ya. Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down.
Show me how you jigger.
Pick it up, why you tryna find the pieces when you lick it up? Why I like it when you sit it when you take it off? Yeah, you know that I'm bad. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night?
I'm not gonna play nice. I'll be the witch you tell your friends about. I'm the crazy ex-girl you pretend you don't know. Cause you know I could ruin your life. Rumor has it you have someone new. She'll regret you like a bad tattoo. Cause you'll never change, you'll always stay the same. Go on and tell all your friends all about me. I don't give a nothing sticks to me, baby. Yes, hon, I'm Teflon, I don't give an F. So go ahead and tell them I'm a little bit too much for ya. Maybe you're not man enough. Cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much for ya. Maybe you're not man enough. Cause I speak my mind, yeah, I too much. I'm a little bit too much for you. Maybe you're not man enough. 'Cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much for you. Maybe you're not man enough. 'Cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much. I'm not gonna play nice. I'll be the witch you tell your friends about. I'm the crazy ex-girl you pretend you don't know, 'cause you know I could ruin your life. Rumor has it you have someone new. She'll regret you like a bad tattoo. 'Cause you'll never change, you'll always stay the same. Go on and tell all your friends all about me. I don't give a nothing sticks to me, baby. Yes, hon, I'm Teflon, I don't give an F, so go ahead and tell them I'm a little bit too much for you. Maybe you're not man enough. 'Cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much for you. Maybe you're not man enough. 'Cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much. I'm not gonna play cool when you take me for a damn fool. I'm just so sick of it. Can't believe that I've been with someone like you. Don't forget I know your secrets too. In a minute I can spill the truth. 'Cause you'll never change, you'll always stay the same. Go on and tell all your friends all about me. I don't give a nothing sticks to me, baby. Yes, hon, I'm Teflon, I don't give an F, so go ahead and tell them I'm a little bit too much for you. Maybe you're not man enough. 'Cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much for you. Maybe you're not man enough. 'Cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much. Little bit too much. A little bit too much. A little bit too much. I'm a little bit too much for you. Maybe you're not man enough. 'Cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much for you. Maybe you're not man enough. 'Cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much. I'm not gonna play nice. I'll be the witch you tell your friends about. I'm the crazy ex-girl you pretend you don't know, 'cause you know I could ruin your life. Rumor has it you have someone new. She'll regret you like a bad tattoo. 'Cause you'll never change, you'll always stay the same. Go on and tell all your friends all about me. I don't give a nothing sticks to me, baby. Yes, hon, I'm Teflon, I don't give an F, so go ahead and tell them I'm a little bit too much for you. Maybe you're not man enough. 'Cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too
space I did was under here. Under here looks so much better right now. Before it was just so bad. I bought this from Amazon right here. And that I picked up at, I think it was Marshall's. And these containers I got from Amazon also. And this container I got from IKEA. And I just like put everything there. Please, like, this right here, I don't know what they did. So they came and like to block up like a hole or something. And the guy just overdid it. I have to call them so they could come and like cut it down. Cause it's like a foam type of thing. But it's definitely much better than it was before. Also, these containers I already had. This is on top of my fridge. I keep them here because there's no space for them in the cabinets, and neither, as I said, we do not have a pantry, like a full pantry. Not until we move. But yeah, this is perfect. Like, it came with that, you know, the label. I bought that from Amazon. Also came with a lot. So I just went ahead and just stick them onto this because those weren't labeled as yet. So I put like these Lazy Susan right here, and I just organized these big jars of seasoning and stuff on this, you know, stuff that I use like every single day. I like my parsley, my browning, my red pepper flakes, you know, just stuff that I use every single day. And I love that it's like this because I could just turn it and grab what I want. And over here, just like in the middle, I just put like the extra seasonings that couldn't fit on this Lazy Susan over here. And as I did the same thing with this, I turned everything out and just to turn it whenever I need to find whatever I need to cook with, which is perfect. So I love that. Up here, I already had these canisters, the one with the sugar, the flour, and the rice. I didn't have this one, so I got this when I went to IKEA and got these spice jars. And I bought all these labels from Amazon. Everything is gonna link below. And over here, same thing, labels, but they're from different companies. But I love these labels on these jars because they're just so big and nice. Over here, I just put like extra stuff, and up there, just regular, you know, Tupperwares and extra stuff that I'm gonna use to bake my Christmas cake. Not now, but it's just extra. So on this side of the refrigerator, I put waters. I normally store the waters up here before, just laying, and nothing was wrong with it, but I just didn't like to look at the door over here because it was just had so much stuff in it. So I have the waters there in 2 shelves, and down here I just put like drinks, you know. I don't drink these, my husband do, that I love, and these are ours. But yeah, just wines, champagnes that we buy to cool, we keep them there. Over here, veggies, you know, this and that. I call that this and that because like I put like saltfish, and if you don't know, saltfish is a kind of fish, salted, that comes from the ocean, cured, and we use it to cook ackee and saltfish. So yeah, so in there I put that, and you know, like yams and scallion and thymes and stuff like that. That's in that, so I call that this and that. Right here I put eggs. I've been contemplating if I should buy like an egg container, but I'm like, I don't think so. I could just probably remove that colored part of the, you know, paper that's inside, and it's clear. Right here, all of Xander's yogurt and baby food stuff, and at the back I just put my yogurt. Right there I just have lettuce and stuff, my little dessert, you know, my Kit Kat, my little treat sometimes. Avocado is there too. Over here, just, you know, regular produce, small stuff. And I got these from Amazon now, so I'm gonna leave those. Those are so perfect. Like if you have a fridge that has like a, you know, just a flat at the front and the back, you could definitely get these. And they probably have bigger size. Right here we keep all our fruits. We buy like pre-cut stuff because I don't have the time. I probably could, I just don't want to. In the middle, I left this open area for leftovers because whenever I cook, I normally have something left over. So it's good to have a place like that in the fridge. Right here, all of these stuff were over here that I said I didn't like to look at. So now I put them here on this Lazy Susan, and I love that. It's amazing, trust me. It's working out so great. Love that. Up here, meat. I might move the meat to this bigger container. I don't know, and put the eggs up here. But I like having meat up here because I don't know, up here the fridge is more colder than, or cooler I should say, than down there. Right there I have, this is just like an empty container. I didn't put anything on it because, you know, I might just put anything in it. Right now at the moment, there's some leftover potatoes in there that I boiled last night for dinner for Xander. Right here is just drinks. We don't normally buy more than 4 of these at a time. So yeah, because we normally do like 1 a day and stuff. And then right here, I have cheese and spreads because I have cheese and like, you know, avocado spreads. And I just put like the Caesar salad kit thing that comes there. And I also have my pesto paste at the back over here. My pesto, I love that. That's perfect on meat, penne, anything. It tastes so good.